Greetings from Pittsburgh Theological Seminary. My name is Derek Davenport. I am so excited that you are ready to register for Alumni Days 21, and I wanted to make this quick video to show you how the registration process works. As you know, everything has been different for this past year, and our Alumni Days is moving completely online. So the registration process is a little different as well. So you'll begin by going to www.pts.edu. Hopefully it looks familiar. And then you will click on My PTS. Now, once you get to the My PTS portal, it may look familiar to you if you are familiar with how to log in to My PTS. Stick with me. The next 20 or 30 seconds won't necessarily apply to you. But if you don't know how to apply or how to log into My PTS, you're going to scroll down. Don't worry, we've got you covered. There's a section that says Access to the Portal for Alumni. And if you've never logged into My PTS before, or you don't remember how to log in, you're going to come right here and click on the Click Here. And that's going to bring you to an alumni account sign up form. So you can click New Account, or if you just need help with your password, you can do a password reset. But you'll fill out the form here with your name, your address, and your preferred email address. Also, make sure to let us know your class year, and you'll hit Submit. And it'll take a little while once you hit Submit, but we will get you account information so you can log in. Once you have that account information, or if you already have it, you will come right here to the login screen, and you will enter your username and then your password. Then you click Login, and it will bring you into the My PTS portal. And so this is the private part of our website that is just for our students, faculty, staff, and alums. And so you'll see a page that looks something like this. You may have slightly different tabs. Since I work at the seminary and work for the Summer Youth Institute, I may have a few that you don't have. But what you're looking for at the top here is Alumni. So to register, you will click on Alumni, and it will bring you to the alumni section of My PTS. And right here at the top is registration. And so once again, you'll log in, you'll click on alumni, you'll come here to registration. And once you click on registration, the great thing about this is it's already filled out for you. You're going to have everything from your account is going to be right here in the registration, your name, your class year, or if you have multiple degrees from the seminary, they'll all be populated there. And look closely at your address. If you'd like to make an update or change to your address, you can do so. And you'll have to click the yes button and uncheck the no. But if your address looks right, just leave it as it is. And then come down here. If you have a reunion year for your class, you can check yes to attend one of those special chat events, or check no. Your email will be here. If you'd like to change the email, be sure to do that. And then you're going to hit Submit Registration. Once you hit Submit, then you are registered for Alumni Days 21. So again, you're just going to visit pts.edu, click My PTS, then you'll log in, click on Alumni, click on Registration, and make sure that all the information is accurate and hit Submit. That's all there is to it. Once the event actually comes up, we'll continue to use this My PTS portal, but don't worry about that yet. I will do another video and I'll walk you through how to access all of the content for Alumni Days as we get closer and closer. So we're so excited that you'll be able to join us. If you have any questions, be sure to email us. Otherwise, we'll see you at Alumni Days. Bye.